Hello. I'm pleased to welcome everyone to the fifth lesson of the course on the Mechanica Module. Today, we will explore ways to create detailed views of parts and their sections. When it's necessary to show an image of a specific limited area on a part, a detail or local view is usually created. Such a view can be bounded by a break line, axis of symmetry, or not bounded at all. A local view is marked on the drawing similar to an additional view. In the Symbols group, expand the View menu by clicking on the arrow next to the command. Here are commands that allow you to create various views, sections, and cuts. Let's select Scale Fragment View. After activating the command, we will be asked to indicate the center of the future view. Let's choose the chamfer transition between the second and third sections of the shaft. Next, a circle or rectangle of the future view will appear. When moving the mouse cursor along the horizontal or vertical axis relative to the view center, the frame will take a rectangular shape. When moving the cursor diagonally, the shape changes to a circle. Also, in the command line, we can specify the preferred frame shape. Let's choose Circle. We set the size arbitrarily. To confirm, click the left mouse button in the model space and move on to specifying the shelf position. Place it with a left mouse click. In the dialog box that appears, specify the letter designation of the view. Set the scale to 5:1 and enable auto-sorting. Next, press OK. The resulting detail view can be placed in any convenient location, for example, just below the shaft. After placing the view, let's position its letter designations with the indication of the view scale. If we want to change the type of break in the view, then use the Explode command located on the Draw tab. Also, the command can be invoked by typing Explode in the command line. After launching the command, click on the created detail view, and it transforms from a block into a set of lines and arcs. Delete the unnecessary parts and, using a spline, draw a new break line. Specify the defining points. Then adjust the bend of the spline. The detail view is ready. Let's set a dimension on the chamfer of the detail view. Go back to the Mechanica tab and click on the Dimensions command, then apply a dimension to the chamfer. Finish creating the detail view and move on to creating sections. A section is a view of a part of the detail formed by a plane, as if cutting through our detail. In drawings, a section is indicated for a more detailed display of the geometry and dimensions of a complex part of the detail. Let's create a new section. For this, double-click on the shaft's axis line. The editing menu will open. At the bottom, select the icon for the Add View or Section command. After activating the command, specify the location and direction of the section. Also, in this window, we can change the type from section to cut. Let's see. Unlike a section, a cut shows not only the part of the detail located in the cutting plane, but also what is located behind it. We'll delete the created cut and apply dimensions. If we need to change the type of section designation, then on the Utilities tab, press the Settings button. In the opened window, go to the Symbols tab and expand Views, Sections, Cuts, etc. Here are all the settings for lines, arrows, and letter designations for the sections we create. By clicking on the desired parameter, a diagram will be displayed in the graphic window, making it quite simple to understand which parameter is responsible for what. In addition to the section line settings, just below we can expand the Text sub-tab, where there are settings for text elements, section designation, and its scale. More details about all parameters can be found in the Help section in the lower left corner. Close the Help and the Settings window. This concludes the fifth lesson, dedicated to creating detailed views and sections, comes to an end. Thank you for your attention. When you're ready, move on to the next lesson.